You must have seen anime and read mangas. Why do people still like mangas even if it's in black and white? Of course, the primary reason is its story, but there is also one more skill that keeps people glued to mangas, which is line art. If you want to master the skill of line art, watch this video completely. Line art or inking is a step that shows depth, line variations and polish out drawings. If you're serious about getting into comics, manga and animation, mastering the art of line art is essential. Even I used to struggle with my line art until I adopted these 3 techniques that significantly improved my work. And those techniques are: I use these Sakura Pigma micron pens, which are comfortable and long lasting too, but you don't have to use the same. Just think about this. Lakhs of people draw which are good and exceptionally well, and we need to stand out from the crowd. Hence, confident lines make people think that it was made by a professional artist. This is a simple concept that can be mastered with little practice. A beginner's line look like this. Hairy, unconfident line, because beginners don't have the confidence to draw the complete line in one stroke. So they try to cover it in multiple strokes that leads to messy sketch or messy lines. This works in sketching, but when it comes to inking, it looks very bad, just like pineapple on top of pizza.
But I like that.
To avoid this bad habit, draw from your shoulder. Drawing from the shoulder involves using the entire arm to create smoother, more fluid lines, often preferred for larger, sweeping motions and for maintaining better control over longer strokes. In contrast, drawing from the wrist focuses smaller, more precise movements, ideal for detailed work. It takes little practice. It's everyone's dream to draw their favorite characters or create their own. But many struggle with the necessary resources and skills. I want to create a free ebook that covers all the fundamentals of drawing heads and faces. So let me know in the comments, what are the difficulties you face while trying to draw faces? Line thickness is crucial for showing depth in your drawings. It helps separate foreground objects from the background and indicates how close an object is to the viewer. Use thicker lines for objects closer to the viewer and thinner lines for those farther away. As you can see in this Demon King Tanjiro artwork, I have drawn Tanjiro with thicker lines as he is in the foreground, and everything that is behind Tanjiro, I have drawn it in thin lines. This technique adds clarity and dimension to your work. We use both line variation and line thickness together in our drawings. Line variation is a personal style. Like in cartoons, they don't use line variation, but in anime they do. Line variation means the use of variety of line including width, length, texture, thickness, etc. to add interest in our drawings. These can be made using brushes. If you want to buy a brush pen, then this brush pen is my recommendation because I have used it before and Jazza also uses it. I also use line variations in my digital drawings because I like the style. Hence, creative souls, these three techniques are deadly combination that can save us from killing our line art. I hope you liked this video. If you want tips on sketching, then consider watching this video. Until then, keep creating.